Are you tired of your home never feeling truly clean? Are you fed up of dust, allergens, and pet fur remaining trapped in your upholstery and fabric? Say hello to the Kirby Vacuum Home Cleaning System. An exceptional, multifunctional powerhouse equipped with a dozen specialized attachments designed to deeply clean every fabric and upholstered surface in your house. Beyond soft furnishings, the Kirby effortlessly adapts to hard surfaces. Its innovative Kirby Wash attachment features a high-powered roller, strong enough to blast through stubborn stains on tile and grout, yet gentle enough to protect delicate carpets. To complete the clean, it includes the patented zip brush, the ultimate tool for breathing new life into tired upholstery and fabrics. The Kirby is much more than just a vacuum. It is a comprehensive home care system, engineered to save you effort, giving your family more time to focus on what truly matters. But don't take my word for it. Apply for your free demonstration today and see why so many people are choosing the more reliable Kirby system.